y'all. Hey, come on in. Welcome to my room at Dreams Los Cabos. We are here in sunny Cabos, and we are in a king suite oceanfront. I love it. It is Hacienda style, so you get that real Mexican culture feel in here. And Dreams really goes all out to make sure that you're comfortable and having a good time. So you're going to touch on some key little features. So you come in, you have your TV that has everything that's going on at the resort. You want to know what activities are going on, what restaurants are open, everything is here at your display. And if that's not enough, I love that how the rooms all have iPads. You can order room service here if that's what you want. You want to find out what's going on at certain restaurants. You want to book services at the spa. It's all here at the tap of a button. How awesome is that? Private sitting area with a couch, so you got another space. Like if you did have extra people, this is another sleeping area. But guys, this is the money shot right here. This is the reason that we're here. Come on out. This view is everything. And last but not least, I will show you the bathroom. I love the extra amenities that Dreams puts in. We have bathrobes, slippers, beach bag, and towels. You also have a safe here. So plenty of storage room. Here you have your little mini bar that stocks daily water, beer, and soda. There's also an extra closet right by the door. So we have extra linens and just extra storage place. I am absolutely in love with the bathroom. Huge jet tub. I plan on getting in here and relaxing later tonight. If you are preferred status, you receive full bottles of toiletries. We have lotion, shower gel, shampoo, conditioner, toothpaste, toothbrushes, and this is something you don't see often. I am excited about this. It comes with a scale. I can stay on track on vacation. You thought I was gonna get on it, not gonna happen. But this is our room at Dreams Los Cabos, and I love it. I hope you enjoy it.